Here's this vintage Whirlpool central air conditioner that I've filmed a couple times before.
This looks like a 70s model.
If I remember correctly, the data sheet, actually it's still legible. I just don't think I ever decoded it.
Maybe not original, but it's got an A.O. Smith fan.
I think the serial number was gone. There's your A.O. Smith fan motor back there. Badge is gone, obviously.
1980 Sears.
This one is a 1980 Sears. It has been over 5 years since I filmed it.
This next turned off. Oh, here we go. Over there is a.
There's an old Trane.
Maybe it's 1980. Maybe
I think this one was like an XB 800 or something. Or no, it's an XE 800 from like the early 90s. $19.90. It's a 2-ton. I don't think they use these anymore. I know the Whirlpool still works.
Have you seen it run?
Yeah, I filmed it last summer running. Got this 1990s Janitral right here. 1996 2-ton. Bristol compressor. Old Whirlpool heat pump, all mashed up on the fan grill.
Very different for these. Plastic always falls apart on these.
There's your compressor.
Oh, the motor's seized. Look at that. That motor's seized. Well, it was.
And the reversing valve is right there.
In ages. Crap was built up in the bearings. You see down in there?
Yeah. The valve is right there. Oh, there's your data sheet. Of course the serial's gone. Oh, what I was showing earlier was the accumulator, not the compressor. That's the compressor right there.
Yeah,
it's a Copeland. And there's a piece of the fan grill down there.
have a Trane executive heat pump.
1983 Trane heat pump.
Hasn't run probably freaking 15 years. All kinds of crap in there. Webs.
And there's your data. 4-ton. This was like right when they started the Trane production. Right after GE was phased out. And then if you remember, you got this 1996 Trane XC1000, which also probably hasn't run in a while. This is actually a 94. I imagine these still work though. We got this 1990s Carrier unit. I want to say it's some sort of BYC. CKC, straight cool.
UKC?
98. I thought these were all heat pumps.
Millennium Cool.
I guess not. The line is completely snipped. We got a base model and a pumper right here. These ones are heat pumps. It's possible that one of these units replaced this one.
2008.
And that's a 2015. This one's a 2008.
More ton. This one's a heat pump.
Or never mind. Those two did not replace those because of those extra two disconnects. Just left it sitting there after it died. 1986 Carrier Round 1 heat pump. 3 tons.
It has a
I filmed this one running in heat mode about a year and a half ago.
Not the original compressor, it's from 09. Compressor was changed, but it looks to be in 09.
Newer Copeland compressor.
I'm sure that was fun putting a compressor in this thing. Have to take the fan out and everything.
We got this brand new Grand there, which replaced I think a 2010's Goodman. So that unit outlasted the Goodman by a long shot.
1986. Tag. First generation Carrier Tech 2000.
I believe this one is a 1992.
One of the later first generation Tech 2000. Maybe it's.
They say 5-ton, 4th week in 1992. Heat pump with a scroll.
It's a scroll. Heat pump. Yep.
Most of these are heat pumps, despite the gas meter.
Worked on a few of these. Not this particular unit, but the same exact model and year.
Doesn't look like it works anymore. Disconnects off.
See here? Here's one shoved into this corner.
Another Carrier Round 1. This one's in a corner. 1987.
Original compressor.
5-ton.
Looks like a Carlisle. The badge.
Hard to get a shot of that.
1987.
3 more Carrier Round 1s. These are all probably the same size and year.
These things are all over the place back in the 80s. Now you barely see them.
We got some units right here. There was a Carrier YCC right there that had a Bristol, but I guess it got replaced.
All identical.
There's your reversing valve.
All out.
And I would assume these all work. I just never seen them run before. This is a 2018 Goodman heat pump. I actually cleaned these a couple years ago. 1980s or 90s Carrier commercial unit. And of course there's no way to decode the date because the sheet has mirrorized itself.
The newest. Got the older Carrier label.
This one's probably straight air.
Actually, I think it is.
Said split system on the
Typically,
tag.
whenever it has that red,
maybe it is a heat pump.
Again, wrong. Being a commercial unit. It's definitely been here for a while. It's got blankets, sound blankets, by the looks of it.
Seems like the people here take care of their units. Because this is almost mint.
Alright, guess that's all there is to see. Alright, here we have an 80s Trane unit. Commercial. And it's pretty much gone. Alright, a whole lot left.
Sure, that weather shield has protected it in various ways.
If so, that's a big compressor.
There's the original spine thin coils. And the compressor, which is potentially back here.
All
1989 BDP heat pump. And I think this has a Carlisle J compressor.
Get a good shot of it.
Hasn't ran in a few months.
I'm gonna glue next to it. You don't see very many of these anymore, that's for sure. There it is, Carlisle.
Doesn't look like the root has been ran either. The house is being renovated, so no one's living here, so I imagine that whenever people do move into this house, this unit will unfortunately be replaced.
Most likely. Quick look at the root.
See a bunch of erosion beneath the pad.
This replaced another
BDP,
BDP.
yep. I remember when this unit was installed back in 2011.
Alright, I guess that's it. Just a quick video on that.
Here's this 60s or 70s Lennox central air conditioner that I've filmed before. Now more mashed up than ever. No more data as far as I'm aware. And that one is a Magic Chef from, I would suspect, the early 80s.
Basically destroyed. Try to get it shot.
More grown over than before.
But not a whole lot to see really, it's all overgrown.
all there is to see here.
We have an older, looks like 80s carrier. 38 BA.
38 BA.
I don't know, maybe it is 70s. Maybe probably mid-late 70s. That's just a random guess, honestly. I have
Metal
no
tags
idea.
definitely make it easier to decode.
Go back and decode that.
I want to say 73, but I could be wrong. I got a couple Goodman units right here. This one's got a newer compressor in it, 2018, 2011, and this one is a 2004.
You guys know.
And that'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching.